Hello, good morning students. Yesterday we were studying about the verb second. In verb 1 we studied about simple present tense. In verb second we are studying about simple past tense. And we started the things or the actions which takes place in the past tense, okay, which has already happened. भूतकाळामध्ये जी गोष्ट झालेली आहे त्याला सिंपल पास्ट टेन्स असे म्हणतात. ओके, सो द थिंग्स विच आर ऑलरेडी हॅपेंड इन द पास्ट टाइम, yesterday, day before yesterday, 2 days back, 3 days back, today morning, that these all things are what the things which are happened in the past time comes in which tense? It comes in simple past tense. Okay, now here already lesson is taught to you. We are going to complete question number second. What is question number second? Here fill in the blanks with the simple past tense of the verb in brackets. We have to fill the blanks with what? With simple past tense. Now here for simple past tense either we have to add ed or we have to add d, or there are some words which changes totally, like eat, ate, catch, caught, bring, brought, correct or not? Buy, bought. In past tense words are totally changing, so that also you have to keep in mind which words are totally changing. Now there are some sentences given, 14 sentences are there. We will study that all 14 sentences. The first sentence which is asked here is we play football. Now play word is given, okay, play verb is given. We dash football yesterday. Now it is already happened, then what will become of word play? When we want to use word play in past tense, how it will turn? We played ed football yesterday. Second sentence here is we dash to go to the beach. Now use word is given. Use is what? Use is in simple present tense. If we will add d to this word, it will become what? Used. So we used to go. What do you have to write down answer? We used to go to the beach. Third one, everyone dash for wedding. Here in bracket come is given. So we have to write down past tense of come. Everybody dash for the wedding. Everybody dash for the wedding. What will be past tense of come? Came. So everybody came for the wedding. Fourth, the children dash with joy. Now dance. Dance word is in simple present tense. We have to write down word dance in simple past tense. So in simple past tense, dance, e is already there, only d we have to add, it will become danced. Fifth sentence, our teacher dash us to the zoo, and verb which is given here is take. Now take, take word is in simple present tense. What will be past tense of take? The past tense of take will be took. So fifth answer is what? Took. Our teacher took us to the zoo. Sixth one, she dash her face with her hands. What she has done? In the picture it is shown. She has put her with her hand. What she has done? She has covered her face. In bracket verb which is given is cover. So we have to add only d. covered. Covered. Rohan dash first in the class. In simple present tense, stand. What will be simple past tense of stand? Stand is in simple present tense. Stood. Rohan stood first in the class. Eighth sentence, he dashed to the window. There is a boy. What he has done? He is doing something to the window. What is that? Pointing out. So what in past tense, what you can write down of point? He pointed. He pointed to the window. Understood? 9th, he dashed to become a doctor. Want. Now doctor, where it is? Maybe this boy. He wanted to become a doctor. So want will change to wanted. So our 9th answer is what? Wanted. He wanted to become a doctor. That is his wish. 10th one, the alarm dash at 6 o'clock. The alarm, what is given answer? Ring. What is past tense of ring? R-A-N-G, rang. 11th, the driver dashed to the garage. Past tense of go. Past tense of go is went. So what will be the sentence? The driver went to the garage. 12th sentence, Sheila dashed flowers in her garden. Plant. Word plant is given. So what will be the answer? Past tense of plant is what? Planted. So you have to just add what? Ed for the word plant. After that is 13th one, his father dash a new car. Now what will be the past tense of buy? I have told you so many times. Bring will become what? B-R-I-N-G, bring will become brought. And B-U-Y, buy will become bought. What do you say in the classroom? My father brought notebook for me from a shop. Don't say brought, you have to say bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. So 13th answer is what? His father bought a new car. 13th one. Past tense of buy is what? Bought. And 14th, they dash the joke with one another. Enjoy. What is past tense of enjoy? Enjoyed. Understood? In this way we have completed 14 sentences of simple past tense. So what we have studied last week, this week and last week we studied about simple present tense, we studied about simple past tense. Now next week we will study about simple future tense. What is there in simple future tense? Okay. In short, I will give you explanation of simple future tense. It means the action which will take place in future, that comes in what? Future tense. Understood? For example, I play cricket, simple present tense. I played cricket, simple past tense. I will play cricket, that is what? Simple future tense. Understood? I sing a song, simple present tense. I sang a song, simple past tense. I will sing a song, simple future tense. Understood? Will come. I will sing. For example, more what words can be done? What sentences you can make? I eat an apple. Past tense, I ate an apple. Future tense, I will eat a apple or I will eat an apple. Understood? In this way we have studied about the tenses. Next week most probably I will start with your syllabus of English Bal Bharati. Grammar part we will wait for some days and then again we will start with English grammar part. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.